Okay, Samsung driver repair 101. Got a Samsung here. All right, let's fire this up and see if we have a good heating element. Here we go. All right, should be enough. Stick the temperature probe in there, or fluke. Let's see what we got. 74. All right, let's open this up. You got one screw, two screws, number 3, number 4. Make sure you unplug. There you go. Where'd it go? There's one. It's hard when you're holding the camera and working at the same time. There you go, that's 2. Yeah, after you remove the 4 screws, this cover, the top cover, will just pick up. Just pick up on the back side. It will lift back. All right, after removal of the 4 screws, all you gotta do is lift this up. Let me see if I can show it to you. Just like that, look, coming up. All right, you can also install these screws right here, back here, so you have something to hold it when you tilt it up. There's one here and here. Okay, what I did after I lift the cover up, I reinstalled all 4 screws, and now should be able to pick this up just like so, and making sure the wire doesn't get ripped. I'm holding it, I'm controlling it, and there you have it. All right, the top's tilted. Now I have access to the drum. I have access to these screws right here for quick removal. You got 1, 2, 3. In order to remove this front cover, you gotta remove 4 screws. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. All right, let's do it. That's 1. 2, 3, and 4. Start the video when you want.